Do you ever have a lot of discipline? In this video, I'll tell you why having self-discipline is important. Self-discipline is an important factor in life because without it, people would not be able to control their impulses. When there is self-discipline, there can be healthy and successful behaviors that help a person achieve different goals. Self-discipline also helps people improve their own lives and lead a happier life. Self-discipline is the ability to make decisions and carry out activities on the basis of well-defined goals. It is a state where an individual has enough self-control and willpower to keep them from acting on impulses, but they still have the capacity to make decisions according to their needs and wants. Self-discipline can be applied in a variety of areas such as health, social life, school, or work. So let's see the importance of self-discipline. Self-discipline is a requirement for achieving goals. If a person is not able to diminish their desires and needs, then they are not able to build self-discipline. It is not possible to accomplish goals if a person is unable to pace themselves. Self-discipline is a necessity for adults who wish to get the most out of life. One has many goals that many want to achieve in life, but it is nearly impossible if a person struggles with a bad habits and a lack of self-control. Without self-discipline, people will be unable to master their emotion and desire to satisfy those wants. When a person's desires are not fulfilled, then he is not able to get the most out of life. Self-discipline makes it possible for one to control their impulses. Self-discipline is almost a requirement to control impulses that come from the mind and from the five senses. If a person is unable to control his impulses, then he will be in danger of hurting himself or losing his temper. Self-discipline allows people to control their desires and not act on them. For example, if someone wants to eat a piece of chocolate cake but decides not to because they want to lose weight, then this is an example of self-control. Self-discipline can help people stay away from temptation and overcome bad habits they may have formed in the past. It gives people an opportunity for change if they are determined enough. Self-discipline means control of oneself through actions and response to situations. In some situations, self-discipline is not possible because there are unwanted emotions that cause some response to be inappropriate. For example, if a person feels angry while with their family, then they should refrain from lashing out at them. Self-discipline is important in social situations because it helps avoiding embarrassment and unneeded confrontation. Self-discipline is also important for anyone who is striving for success. Without it, there will be no ability to make changes and balance between work and relaxation. Self-discipline allows people to find alternatives to destructive behaviors or help facilitate the change needed to break bad habits. People who have self-control won't allow their desire or anger to control their actions. Self-discipline helps the individual to be persistent in their means of failure and setbacks. Self-discipline is one of the best ways to take control of your life and deal with failure. It is a key to increase one's success and helping you to accomplish what you wish to do in life. By developing self-discipline, one can increase self-control and improve their decision in life. By developing self-discipline, people will be more likely to gain knowledge, improve their health, experience more happiness and satisfaction in their life, and have a lot of more freedom in general. Self-discipline helps a person plan ahead for task completion. It is important to have self-discipline so that a person can plan ahead for the tasks they need to complete. Without this, it will be impossible for a person to accomplish anything, and they will be unable to reach their goals. Self-discipline helps people make time for their priorities in life. It also provides individuals the ability and skill set needed to handle their time wisely. Self-discipline is one of the skills necessary for success in life. For example, if someone wants to achieve a career goal or get into a good college program, then it will require them to work hard towards achieving their goal. Failures are the foundation of your success. It is important that people don't become discouraged when they fail. Instead of allowing anger or frustration to get the best of them, people should use their failure to help them learn and grow in life. Self-discipline can prevent a person from feeling hopeless when they fail. For example, if a student does poorly on an exam, then instead of feeling defeated and not wanting to take another exam for the rest of their study period, the student should take a deep breath and say to themselves that they will succeed on the next exam. People must believe in themselves, or else they will not achieve anything in their lives. Don't let the struggle stop you from what you want to achieve. Instead, use that failure to motivate yourself towards success. Discipline gives you peace of mind. A person who does not have self-discipline will have a great deal of anxiety and stress. This can cause them to be unable to focus on their life goals and objectives. It is hard for people to stay on the top of what they want in life when they experience constant stress and anxiety. Without self-discipline, it will be difficult for people to overcome any potential obstacle that may arrive in their lives. For example, if a person has too much work to do at work, then this can cause them to feel overwhelmed. They may be plagued by feelings of failure as well as guilt that they neglect their responsibilities at work. Self-discipline is a method of self-control. A person who has self-discipline is able to focus on their task and they are able to give themselves peace of mind. Give your goals more power with self-discipline. It is important that people develop their beliefs. It is through these beliefs that they are able to achieve success. Beliefs can be created through experiences or through self-discipline. For example, it is possible for people to gain a belief of I can accomplish anything, no matter what the situation is. This kind of belief could lead them to believe that they can reach their goals and objectives in life. If a person has a strong enough belief, then they will be willing to handle any challenging they may encounter in their way toward achieving their goals and objectives in life. Beliefs are all about the mind and how an individual thinks about himself or herself. It is important that people develop the right kind of beliefs about themselves. This is a way for people to give their goals more power, and it helps them to overcome any potential obstacle they come across. Beliefs will help people to stay on the top of what they want in life and how they achieve their goals and objectives. This belief can be achieved with self-discipline. Self-discipline increases your confidence. Self-discipline and self-control are just as important, if not more important than any other trait. Studies have shown that the more difficult it is for someone to control themselves, the less confident they are. If a person has to make a lot of sacrifice in their personal life in order to avoid things they would personally like to do, example, someone who needs to refrain from smoking tobacco products, then this could be an indication of low self-esteem and low confidence. There are many benefits that come with developing one's self-discipline, which can translate into increasing confidence level as well as better health and relationships. When people don't believe in themselves, they may avoid taking on challenging that they would otherwise be able to face. Self-discipline strengthens your willpower and keeps you from failing. People with self-control won't allow their desire or hunger to control their actions. Developing a strong will can help guide them within a certain situation of temptation. For example, there may be an instance where someone should resist the desire to eat 2 pieces of ice cream cone instead of 1 since they are trying to slim down. If people have a strong will, then they are able to say no to things that they would tempt them into making a poor decision. They will be more likely to succeed and do what they need in order to achieve their goals set before them or reach objectives at hand. You can push through even when you don't want to. When people don't have self-discipline, it can be difficult for them to do things they don't want to. For example, if someone doesn't want to go jogging in the morning, but people know that they should in order to lose weight, then it will be difficult for them to get up and go exercise. If a person does not have self-discipline, then this can lead them into making bad decisions such as overeating or eating unhealthy foods. It can also lead a person into becoming addicted to things like cigarettes or alcohol. Self-discipline is important because it helps people to resist their temptation and do what is best for their health and sanity in the long run. Discipline will increase your mental strength. Discipline is also important to anyone who has something that they want to achieve. There are many benefits of having self-discipline, and one of the ones that stick out is the impact of mental strength. As people develop their self-discipline, they will gain a lot of self-confidence and mental strength on the long run. Self-discipline can help people feel more confident about themselves, which lead to a lot of positive results in the end. People with strong beliefs within themselves are more likely to succeed than those without them. These strong beliefs may be accompanied by problem-solving skills that propel them forward toward achieving their goals and objectives. You're going to be uncomfortable a lot. If your vision is outside your comfort zone, then it is likely you're going to experience discomfort as a result. This discomfort can cause people to lose sight of what they want to achieve in the first place. Some people let discomfort keep them from doing what needs to be done. Self-discipline creates a habit where one becomes uncomfortable with their old comfort zone and decide to expand into new ones instead. People who have self-discipline are more willing to do things that are unpleasant because they want to grow and improve themselves in the long run. Self-discipline brings gains and freedom. Self-discipline is about the mind and how one thinks about themselves in the situation that they are facing. It is all about creating a new vision and replacing old methods, and this in turn allows for freedom from fear, doubt, and lack. There are benefits to having self-discipline like a strong will and seeing results quickly, which allows you to gain more control over your life. Discipline can help people create habits with their behaviors, ability, self-esteem, emotion, and overall outlook on life that allow them to overcome all the challenges with ease. To develop self-discipline, I invite you to watch the video I made about habits to develop self-discipline. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then make sure to like, subscribe, and share to see more videos like this. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.